Hello again guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, Lutuin Pinoy Abroad with Elmer and Desiree. Today I'll be going to make boba pearl or tapioca pearl that best served with milk tea. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now here are our ingredients. Using 3 ingredients, water, brown sugar, and tapioca flour. Now let's start. In a clean pan, let's pour in the brown sugar and water. Mix until brown sugar is completely dissolved in water. Out of these 2 ingredients, we're going to make a syrup for our tapioca pearl. Now, turn up the flame and add the tapioca starch. And completely mix with the syrup until a dough is formed. Now, we're going to transfer it into a kneading table and start kneading the dough. Now, we're going to cover it with cling film to avoid drying out and rest it for 20 minutes. And set aside. Using cocoa powder, we're going to make another set of dough, and following the same procedure, on the same pan, just pour in the brown sugar and water and mix it. When brown sugar is dissolved, add the cocoa powder and portion of tapioca flour and mix it. Then add the rest of the tapioca starch or flour. Following the same procedure and process on the first one, just knead it until dough is formed. And cover with the cling film as well. Set aside and rest for another 20 minutes. Now let's start making the tapioca pearl. Just divide the dough into equal parts and start rolling it into a strip. Just do the same procedure on the other dough. Dust it with the tapioca flour to avoid sticking, and start cutting it into small pieces for making the pearl. Using our hand, manually shape it into a pearl. It is believed that the boba pearl or tapioca culture was started in the late 80s in Taiwan and considered as the common dessert at the time. For you guys, for more videos of DIY and cooking, You may visit our YouTube channel, Facebook page, TikTok, and Instagram at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Now, here are our tapioca pearl. We're going to cook the pearl for 15 minutes in a boiling water. Just mix it to avoid sticking with each other. We're going to cook it until translucent color on the outside is achieved. After 15 minutes, it's now ready. Now, let's transfer it and drain the water. Now, it's ready to serve with any milk tea that you prefer. And enjoy this refreshing taste of this boba pearl with your family and loved ones. Enjoy this refreshing taste of this boba pearl in any milk tea of your favorite and beat the heat this summer. Thank you very much for watching. God bless. Enjoy cooking. Happy eating. Bye-bye.